Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now, to take a screenshot, you can either press the print screen button on your keyboard. This is normally running along the top next to the F keys. And when you press it, you'll get this box here, where you'll be able to choose a camera to snip or a record button like that. But as we want a screenshot, we'll use the camera. Then you can select the last one on the list here, what you want to take. So you can take a rectangle, a window, a full screen, or a freeform. So let's select a full screen, and that'll take a full screen screenshot. So let's go to our documents here, select picture, and then you'll see screenshots here. Go into that, and there you have it, a screenshot of the desktop. Now, if you can't find the print screen button, you can hold down Shift, the Windows key, and S. This will bring up the same box here at the very top. Now let's try a different one. Let's say we want to take a window shot here. Whenever you go over any window, so we only have one window open, it'll take a screenshot of that window. So let's press that with the mouse, and there you go. We've took a screenshot of this single window. Let's bring that back up again by pressing the Shift, Windows key and S, or the print screen button. Now let's take a look at a rectangle. Now what you can do here, you can actually draw a certain section of the page like that. And whenever you let go of the mouse, it will take a screenshot of that highlighted section. So let's say here like that. There you go. Let's have a look at the last one. The freeform. As it suggests, you can make a screenshot any shape you want. When you let go, as before, it'll take that screenshot. So hopefully that helps you out how to take a screenshot on Windows 11 or 10 PC.